Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to send your Monopoly Go link on Facebook. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on any important information. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright, the first step is to obviously open up Monopoly Go. And now once you're on the main screen here of Monopoly Go, click onto Friends, bottom right hand corner of your screen, and then click on the green invite button. And then click on the blue Facebook invite button, and then what will that do? That will send you over to Messenger. And now to send the Monopoly Go link, just simply click on send next to that person's name. So for this example, I'm going to use Uzama. I'm going to send it, and now that's sent. And then all he needs to do, or her, just click on the link and then it will send them to Monopoly Go. So yeah, that's it guys for this video, how to send your Monopoly Go link on Facebook. Thanks for watching this video to the very end. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found it helpful. We really appreciate it and it helps us out a lot.